2, 1.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. For this week's video, I'm doing a no mirror makeup challenge, but my boyfriend Julian is going to be selecting all of my colors for me, and he's just handing me brushes and telling me where to put them. So this is why I look like this. If you want to see how to achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and go ahead and ring the bell so that you can get a notification of every new video that I post. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video because it's a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna explain this one more time just in case you weren't listening in the intro. So what I'm gonna do is a no mirror makeup challenge. So I'm not gonna be using any mirrors, and the big mirror that's on my desk is completely covered up. But Julian is going to be choosing my eyeshadow look. So he has all of my eyeshadow palettes set over here and all of my brushes. And so he's going to be handing me a brush that has a color on it, and he's going to tell me where he wants that color. Mind you, I also don't have a mirror. This is his this is his cameo, since we are waiting for him to make an appearance on my channel until he gets a haircut. So you'll see him soon. But without further ado, let's get started. Also, if I'm like looking at random places, it's because I usually look at my mirror and I have no idea where I'm gonna be looking. So, and if I look extra fugly, it's because Julian has no remorse. Can't wait. All right, let's get started. Okay, babe, what's the first color you have for me? Don't tell me what color it is. Just give me the eyeshadow brush and tell me where you want me to put it.
Okay.
I'm so nervous. Oh my god, the way he's digging into my palette. Oh my god. Looks like a marker the way you're digging into it.
Sorry.
So do you want me to put this all over my eyes? Where am I put?
Yeah, this is going to be a base, right?
Like on my crease?
Yeah.
All over the crease? Okay,
All
is
over
this
the
enough?
crease.
Is this enough for one eye or for two eyes?
That's enough for one eye.
Oh my god, and you like dug into it. Okay. I'm so nervous. I asked him to do his homework, but when I went to go see what he was doing, he was playing a soccer game on his phone. So
Actually, I changed my mind. I don't like the way
Julian!
I don't like the way that one's looking.
Okay.
So we're gonna dust it off like you
But
did.
I already have it on this eye.
This one's gonna be darker. It's gonna go on top. Don't worry.
We're already off to a bad start. Also, I like set up all of my makeup for him, and he's like, "Don't you have some glitter?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "You're gonna have to take that out." I pull out all my glitters, and he goes, "Perfect."
Well, we're gonna do it a little bit darker.
On this eye?
Yeah, the same eye.
Okay. Tell me if I have to keep blending, if I'm not blending enough, or obviously that's the same thing. If I blended too much, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it all right.
Oh god.
You have to go lower down here.
Like right here?
Yep, there you go. Perfect. We're gonna do a little bit more.
Oh my god. Okay.
So if you were to do your wing, whatever that's called, should you do it after or before this?
After.
Okay, after.
Let me see if where's my wing liner?
No, you shouldn't.
Cause my like, if I'm not doing this with a mirror, is this on this side still?
Yeah, still on
If
that side.
I'm not doing this with a mirror, I have one specific like liner that would be easiest. I can see like oh my god, I can literally, like, you're scraping so hard, I can see like pigment flying. Did you hit pan already?
No.
Oh.
You literally never used this color. This color's brand
Julian,
new.
that palette is brand new.
Well, it's in for a rude awakening.
What are you gonna say about raccoons?
You look like one.
That's so...
You look like... This video should be titled Makeup to Go Rob a Bank. You're looking good.
Okay.
You're looking very good. Alright, so give me 1 second. I'll be right back with everything else that you're going to need. This next one is part of the Dream Street Kathleen Lights and ColourPop palette.
Where am I?
Go ahead and use that.
Where am I doing this?
Like same spot but a little bit lower.
Like on my lid?
Yeah, exactly, on the lid. How do you know when you've used it all?
I don't know. I'm waiting for you to tell me.
So how do you know when you're doing the makeup?
Oh, what I get, like when I get the look that I'm going for?
Okay, well, got the look. Looks good.
Why are you digging into the pan like that?
I'm not digging in.
Yes, he is.
He's
a jail like this.
Look, this is what
I
I'm
want
doing.
to see.
That's not digging in, that's scraping. I'm doing it as if I were digging up fossils. You know, you seen those videos? The archaeologists are like brushing it. That's what I'm doing. Make sure you get it on the lid.
It's on the lid.
Oh god.
Did it get everywhere? I don't like the words. Oh god, coming out of your mouth.
You're looking good, actually.
I hope.
Would I ever do anything to make you look bad?
Yes!
Not in front of the camera. Alright, don't worry, we can do the rest later.
Okay.
Now, this is probably the color I'm most excited for.
Okay, I don't want to see it. Don't show me.
The Mar Color Pop Palette.
Mar, baby.
The Mar.
Mar. I don't know.
I'm going for like an aqua color.
No, why'd you tell me the colors that you're using?
Oh, we can edit that part out. I thought you could see it.
I already know. I've been closing my eyes, but now I know.
Well, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
How are you gonna do your wing with no mirror? Can you do that?
No, but
yes, you can. What do we need for the glitter to stick on you?
We can use concealer. We can use glitter glue.
Well, the glitter's gonna go underneath right here.
What the?
The glitter's gonna go right here. I saw it in a picture. It looks very nice. You having fun?
So much fun. I'm so scared of what I look like right now. Okay. So only places on the outer portion. If on the inner portion, I'm gonna get this in my eye.
No, you're not. Be careful.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean you can barely see it, but yeah.
Why can't you barely see it?
On the camera you can barely see it.
You can see it in person though?
Yeah. We'll have to get a zoom up of you close in. Alright. Going back to the Dream Street palette.
Thanks for narrating.
I can tell this is one of your favorite ones because it's been used a little bit more than others.
It's the one that I've owned the longest.
So just put this one in the corners right here. Yeah, let me, so the audience can see right here.
My inner corners?
Inner corners.
Okay.
Perfect.
Give me some more. I like a bright inner corner.
You like a bright corner?
Yeah. What does that look?
I don't really know how it's supposed to look, but
when you look at me, does it look like what it normally would look like?
not at all. Wait. A lot of debris fall out.
Debris?
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
Why'd you call it debris?
I don't know what it's called.
Fallout. It says fallout.
Fallout.
This isn't debris.
Debris from the thing. No, it's all coming together. It looks good.
I hope so. Okay.
Now, put some of this on.
Usually liner goes first.
Oh, yeah. I knew that. I was testing you, but you caught me. You caught me.
Okay.
The liner goes definitely first.
This is...
So we're going in with the Maybelline Master Precise by iStudio in the color black.
Okay.
So go ahead and put that on there.
Do you want a big wing liner?
What's the difference between
like a
small?
like a wing, or just you just want like liner?
No, a wing.
A wing. Okay.
Focus. Perfect, yeah.
feel like that one did not go as well. Okay.
It looks good.
Did I connect it?
They're two.
Oh no!
They're two.
Does it look fashionable?
Yeah, it looks really good actually. No, for real. Leave it like that. Do the same thing on the other side.
Enough space?
Yep. Great. That looks good.
Oh my god.
That looks good.
I have to make sure to put this back in my work bag. Okay, what do you
We have to remind the audience that you don't have a mirror, so it's not...
I'm not like...
She can't see at all.
I don't suck. Stop, you're pushing it down. Okay, on the bottom and top?
Yeah, bottom and top. So this look is gonna be called the Aquaman Double Eye Wing
Double
Liner.
eye wing liner.
The Aquaman Double Eye Wing Liner.
What lipstick do you... I'm not gonna put any face makeup on right now, so I'm probably gonna look really, really messed up. But I'm gonna let you choose a lipstick.
Are all these your lipsticks right here?
I have those and then I have these over here too, baby. But, so, Julian already promised he was gonna be on my channel next week after we got him a haircut. But just, you know, like, extra insurance. If you really want to see him on my channel, like this video. Like this video and leave a comment down below.
What I really want them to do is actually, on a scale from 1 to 10, rate this look. And give me some constructive criticism. How can I be better for next time? That's what I want to know.
Yeah.
Let me see how it looks on camera. Give a camera a nice smile. That actually looks pretty good. Ooh, look at that double eye line wing liner.
Okay.
This is the final. This is
the final touch, ladies and gentlemen.
This is NYX Liquid Suede Professional Makeup Cream Lipstick.
Yeah.
And the color is Stone Fox.
I'm a foxy lady.
Foxy Aquaman Double Wing Eyeliner.
Okay. Ooh, it's gonna be hard. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
Just pretend like you're putting on chapstick. It's the same thing.
Absolutely not.
What's the difference?
Because I can go out of the lines with chapstick.
Oh yeah, you can do that here. Oh damn, that's actually pretty good.
Did you speak too soon?
It looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I've never seen any...
Stop. Stop.
I've never seen lipstick look so good on someone before.
Do you like this color on me?
Yeah.
You think I should wear it more often?
No. You look beautiful right now.
Thank you.
Look at the camera. You look so good.
How fugly do I look?
Well,
okay.
I don't think we should have gone with the gray.
Do you want me to take it off?
No. So now what I want you to do is look at the camera and turn sideways, slow motion, so they can see
The look.
the look. Let me zoom in a little bit. The double wing eyeliner. There you go. Look at that. On the other side, looks not that good, but
The wing?
yeah.
The wing on this side look good?
Yeah, that side looks a lot better
like
than
this
that
side.
side.
No.
Not the best. But it's okay.
We tried.
We're gonna do the big reveal
Okay.
in 3, 2, 1.
What? Oh my god!
Looks good.
No!
You don't think so?
No!
What don't you like about it?
Okay.
Okay, so what are your thoughts?
I think that if I would properly execute this, I think it could be cute.
It has potential.
Yeah. I don't think the glitter was a good... I also maybe just didn't use something that grabbed onto the glitter very well. Lipstick is a no. Wing liner Kind of cool, very editorial, would not actually wear on an everyday basis.
Okay.
So, but it's okay. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Come here. Make a quick appearance real quick. Come here real quick.
You know the show like Dexter where you never see the face?
Well, that's it for this week's video. That's it for this week's video. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned because I'm gonna have him on my channel next week, and hopefully this time. Oh, he wants you guys to rate the look. So on a scale of 1 to 10, tell him how good or bad he did.
It's okay. You can be as rough as possible.
Constructive criticism.
Constructive criticism.
Yeah.
I don't get my feelings hurt easily, so just let it all out. Tell me how I did.
So be sure to like and subscribe and ring a bell so that you can get a notification of every new video that we post, because this is a team effort. He is the person who edits my videos. He's gonna be on my channel next week, he promised. So yes, he did. He said that if he got a haircut, then he would come on my channel next week, and that I could either do his makeup or he could do my makeup, right?
Right.
Okay. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know this was a little bit of a different video, but I thought it would just be a little fun. Like I said, be sure to like and subscribe, and go ahead and leave that comment down below rating him, and I'll see you all next week. Bye, everyone. Okay, so Julian wanted me to tell you all, or show you guys the inspiration for the look. This is the inspiration. This is what he was going for, just with a little bit of a different color scheme. But you know what? If you guys want to go ahead and see me try to recreate this look, leave a comment about that as well. But more importantly, leave a comment rating Julian. But I'll see you all next week. Bye, everyone.